Everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how you can join a Zoom meeting. So watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for our future videos. You can join a meeting on Zoom using two ways. You can join Zoom using the website or the application or even the mobile application. Either way, it's the same process. Now what you can do is after you open the application of Zoom, you can directly click on join, and from here you will be able to enter in the meeting ID. This way you can join a Zoom meeting anonymously. Your name will not be shown and you will be able to change your name to anything that you prefer. Another way is you will need to sign in to your Zoom account. After you've been logged into your Zoom account, you can again click on join. Now if you enter in the meeting ID or the link, you can join a Zoom meeting. But this way your name will be shown, the name that you entered while you created your account. So those are the two ways that you can join a meeting anonymously, or you can log into your account and then join a meeting. So that's how you can join a Zoom meeting. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back with more in the future. Thanks for watching.